Let's talk about the widening legal pressure around Vusimuzi case Matlala. So today, on the 6th of February 2026, Matlala and his co-accused were back in court. He appeared in the Johannesburg High Court, where his legal team indicated that they plan to bring a third bail application, this time based on what they are calling new facts. The matter was postponed to next week. Matlala also raised concerns about prison conditions affecting his trial preparation. Now, while that was happening in court, at the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, Brigadier Rachel Majieng continued her testimony. She spoke about her romantic relationship with Matlala and admitted receiving money and gifts, including a request for Ozempic, but denied that these were bribes linked to the SAPS tender award to his company. The commission remains unconvinced and says it will subpoena additional records. And then there's a third development. Businessman Suleiman Karem, who has also been implicated in the commission, will now testify in March after his legal team requested more time to study the evidence. So it's different rooms, same network, and the legal pressure continues. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. God bless you and ciao.